buy cereal? Please? Come on, Tootsie. How about to buy cereal? No? No? You don't want to buy a cereal? Please? How about some yogurt? You want some yogurt? No? No yogurt? You want some fruit? You want some peaches? Ooh. Yeah? No? No peaches? You want some buttery toast? Yeah, you want the buttery toast, don't you? You're welcome. You know you're eating my breakfast, right? Yeah? Is it good? No, it's not good? No? You want some more? Yeah? You want some more though? Yeah? No? It's not good? No? Okay. You help buy cereal for me? You help buy cereal for Uncle Mike? No? Okay. No. Quit being silly. Yep, you're silly. Ready for another bite? Oh, you already got one ready, huh? Okay, thank you. It's okay. Oh, okay, no bib? Yeah. How about buy a cereal? No? Okay, you don't have to. No cereal. You gonna be a little headbanger when you get older? Yeah? Go. Yeah. To your food. So silly.